pressure washer that normally works with water being forced into the pump via mains water pressure. I'm going to alter this round so the machine is set up to suck but also return, so the water itself is not trapped in the pump with the water just circulating round. What I'm going to do is alter it round. What I'm going to do first of all is take the water inlet pipe off the machine, and then we're going to unscrew the bolt-on unloader from inside the pump. So what we've got there is normally you put your mains water into the pump, which go in at the bottom side of the port of the pump. It would then go inside the pump. When it's built up to its pressure, if you was pulling the trigger it would be coming out of there, but when you let go of the trigger it will be bypassing back round and circulating right round the pump head, just going round in a circle, simply by the chamber that runs from there, from the top to the bottom. So when you let go of your trigger, normally the water returns back out of the dump pipe, which goes to the top side of the unloader. So what we're going to do is we're setting up, we're going to make this machine so it's suck and return back to the water tank. So what we'll do is put this top part back on, which goes back on that side of the pump, or if you wanted to you could swap it round and change it round and put it on that side of the pump. What we're going to do is leave it on this side, and that goes on the top side fitting of the pump. What we'll simply do is we will blank at that stage this hole at the bottom up, so that is redundant. Okay, what we'll simply do then is, what we've got here is one that's already been done. So your water is then going to go into the bottom side of the pump. Got a water filter there as protection, and simply connecting. So what happens now is the machine itself, you will drop that into a tub, that will go in there. You will simply get a pipe that goes onto this bottom side of the unloader, push on, so them two pipes then, one to suck and one to return the water back to the tank it's sucking from, and off you go as normal. No problem in frost, the machine won't freeze up the same, the pump won't overheat because the water's returning back to the water tank all the time. A lot of bonuses. The other thing is, when you've got a machine that normally when you let go of the trigger and you've got a leak on the gun, you'll hear the machine hunt, 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 hum, hum, hum. With this system you won't get the same problem. Thank you.